Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the up screen button on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Okay, so the first step of the operation would be opening up the setting. And when we open up the settings, we have to scroll down a bit or up until we find the home screen section. And now we have to go down a little bit until we see the show up screen button on home screen. We have to enable the option, and now as you can see we have this little button in the lower right corner with the 9 dots, and when we press it, the up screen of the up drawer opens. So if you considered this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.